Aloha everyone, it's Lynn with iHula Hawaii, bringing the hula of Hawaii to you. In today's video, we're going to get started on the new hula entitled E Ku'u Sweet Lei Poina Ole, which means my sweet, unforgettable lei. Let me tell you a little bit about the mele. Mele means song. The composer describes the beauty of a lei, how it's unforgettable, how it's never fading, and compares that to her love for another. The lei is also a symbol, as it is a complete circle representing the union of love. Now in this hula, there are 2 verses, so it is going to take us 3 lessons to learn the entire hula. There's going to be a video each week with instruction, and it would be best if you could dedicate maybe 3 practices a week to really memorize the hula. Each week I'll add a little bit on, and at the end I will have a hula along for you to do the hula with me. I'll also go ahead and add an alternate version of this song so you can apply the hula that you've learned to a different mele. So if you're ready at home or wherever you are to dance the hula, just follow me as I'm dancing mirror image, and let's get started. We will begin with a review of the KALΑKAUA, but this time doing not only a forward but also a back. Starting on your right, forward, back, together, tap back left, forward, together, tap forward right, back, together, tap back left, forward, together, tap repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now a side view, bend your knees starting right, back, together, tap back left, forward, together, tap right, back, together, tap back left, forward, together, tap. As you can see, each foot is taking its turn to move, adjusting the weight forward and back, keeping that sway going with your knees bent. Here is the footwork for the hula. Our hula begins with a vamp for 4 counts. Our verse begins with 3 sets of kaholo, right and left, followed by 4 ka'o, right, left, another 2 sets of kaholo, our forward and back KALΑKAUA, ending with 4 ka'o, right, left. Let's try it with the music. Beginning with your hands on your hips and your right foot forward. Starting with a traditional vamp, right, left, right, left. 3 sets of kaholo, right, left, set 1, right, left, set 2, right, left, 4 ka'o, right, left, right, kaholo, right, slight dip, left, set 1, right, left, KALＡKAUA, forward and back, and 4 ka'o, right, and left. Now that you've been introduced to the footwork, let's try it out in the song. We will be dancing this verse 3 times through.
Sweet Lei Poina Ole.
learn the hands, let's take a look at the Hawaiian lyric and the English translation so we know how to tell the story with our hands. My sweet unforgettable lei, the most beautiful of all. Never fading, you are my sweet unforgettable lei. Beginning with the traditional vamp, right, left, right, and left. My sweet unforgettable lei. Both hands out at sides. Bring into chest. Both bring up to smell your lei and open forward. The most beautiful of all. Both pick up your lei center forward, up over your head, and as you bring your fingers down, outline the bottom of your lei and show yourself waving down 1, 2, 3, and 4. Never fading, left on hip, right pick flower, pull to the left, left under right, you are. Raise your flower, bloom, and bring down. My sweet unforgettable lei. Put your lei on again. Finish drawing your lei and embrace. Hands out to your sides and embrace. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now let's put the hands and the feet together for verse 1. Starting after the vamp, both hands out and into self. Bring up to smell and open forward. Put on your lei, pick it up over your head, draw the remainder, show yourself, wave 1, 2, 3, 4. Pick flower on the right and pull to the left, left under right to raise, bloom, and back down. Put on your lei, KALΑKAUA, and embrace. Hands out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's do the hula together in real time, 3 times through. Sweet Lei Poina Mahalo for tuning in today. If you could leave me a comment, whether it be a question or did you even like this hula, I'd love to read it. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe and click on the bell if you haven't already, and please share my channel with someone. Until we see each other again next Friday for our next lesson, hui ho and aloha.